So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So we'll shake through the joints, starting with that left wrist, onto the elbow and the shoulder, and onto the right wrist, the elbow and the shoulder, and both arms together, and into the left ankle, the knee and the hip, onto the right ankle, the knee and the hip, and bring the feet to hip width. We'll inhale, bring the arms up, exhale, bend the knees, sweep the arms back, come on up, inhale, exhale down, inhale up, so 8 more, and just in your own time. Take the feet a little bit wider than hip width, bending the knees, fingertips to the back of the head, and trying to keep the body still from the bottom of the ribs downwards. And just a little movement at the top of the spine. And then we'll twist at the waist, keeping the hips still. Down through the hips, the knees and the ankles. And then bringing the arms down, now make a fist with the hands and tap either side of the spine and then the opposite shoulder. So we call this the kidney taps. Just make it as dynamic as feels good for you. And then we'll slow it down. So balance pose, we'll do star pose. So standing on the left, bring the right leg out, lifting up, belly button squeezed in. Lengthening through the arms, and if you can, we'll lift a little higher. And maybe a little higher. And coming down. And we'll stand on the right leg, bring the left leg up. Trying to keep the legs straight and the arms lengthened. bit higher. And coming down, so one more each side. A big inhale first, and exhale, lifting the leg. And maybe higher. And a little bit higher. And coming down, last one. So bring the arms up, and inhale, exhale, lifting the leg. And lift a bit higher if you can. And coming down. So, standing pose, we'll do high lunge with the left leg forward, right leg back. So both toes, sets of toes, are pointing forwards. So the back heel is up, the front knee is bent. So we'll just get comfortable in this high lunge. And we'll place the left hand on the thigh, reach the right arm up, and we'll inhale, exhale over to the left. Come back to center, and we'll inhale, exhale over. Come back to center, and we'll inhale, and exhale. And then bring the arms down. So if that felt okay, we're going to do the same to the other side. So inhale, and exhale over. So you may find a deeper stretch this way. Inhale, exhale, come in center, and we'll inhale, and exhale, and coming back, and coming out of the pose. To the other side, we'll have that right leg forward, left leg back, toes pointing forwards, front knee bent, back heel is up. So try and straighten that back leg if you can. So you can always stay here, or we're going to add the side stretch. So we'll inhale, exhale over to the right. Come in center, inhale, exhale, coming back, inhale, and exhale. And only if that felt okay, we'll do the deeper stretch. So inhale with that right arm, exhale to the left. Coming back, inhale, and exhale. And center, inhale, exhale over, coming back to center, and carefully coming out of the pose. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now just see if you can feel the heartbeat with that upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.